miracles, by definition, are a divine act. A divine act of God that breaks, disrupts the norms or intervenes in order to change what is commonly observed. And it is very important to understand that this is how we define a miracle. Thomas Aquinas defined a miracle when he said those things are properly called miracles which are done by divine agency beyond the order commonly observed in nature. Nowadays, it is very difficult for people to understand a miracle because they rely on a different definition. A miracle is now understood as opposed to science. The most dangerous challenges against miracles were brought by David Hume. They stem from his definition. He defines a miracle as something that breaks the natural law. In another way, the natural law is the principle and the norm, and the miracle comes to disrupt the natural law. He says, a violation of the laws of nature by a particular volition of the deity or by the interposition of some invisible agents. The key point here is the laws of nature. There is nothing as such to be called laws of nature. There is the divine laws because Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala ordained the world. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala arranged everything in its place to fit. There is nothing that is called a natural law, not even the Archimedean law, that a floating body always displaces the amount of water that is equal to its weight. Not even that law. There is nothing that is called natural law. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is the creator. We see things happening, and because they always happen, we think that they will always happen like this. No, they will not always happen like this unless Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will. Unless Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala supports and sustains and wills that they be in the same order, they will be in the same order. Fire doesn't burn by its nature. Medicine doesn't cure by its nature. Food doesn't cause satiation by its nature. It is by the creation of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. It is very important to understand the theory of causation. And this is the base of the misunderstanding of a miracle. Yet unfortunately, with all of the denial of the miracles of our beloved Prophet sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa alihi wa sallam, in this modern time, with all the claims of science and technology and advancement, yet we find new age movements are increasing and getting stronger and stronger. People are using terms such as crystal healing, channeling of departed spirits. The best sold stories are abduction by creatures in flying saucers. Unfortunately, yet still people, you tell them of a miracle of our beloved Prophet sallallahu alaihi wa alihi wasallam, and they will not believe it.
O Imam of all messengers of Allah, on you I come to reach Jannah. So in this life